Green class. Today we are going to be reading the poem The Sea by John Foster. We will practice together and you can learn to say it all at home. I'm going to explain what some words mean to help you to understand what the poem is all about. I will begin by reading the poem to you. The sea can be angry. The sea can be rough. The sea can be vicious. The sea can be tough. The sea can rip. The sea can tear. The sea can roar like a hungry bear. The sea can be gentle. The sea can be flat. The sea can be calm as a sleeping cat. The sea can glide over the sand, stroking the beach like a giant hand. Now let's read the poem together. Join in with the words that you know. The sea can be angry. The sea can be rough. The sea can be vicious. The sea can be tough. The sea can rip. The sea can tear. The sea can roar like a hungry bear. The sea can be gentle. The sea can be flat. The sea can be calm as a sleeping cat. The sea can glide over the sand, stroking the beach like a giant hand. Now let's look at the words in the poem to check that we understand what the poem is telling us about the sea. The sea can be angry. Angry means loud and cross. So that means that the sea must be really loud and really cross. The sea can be rough. If we feel the bark on a tree, it is rough and bumpy. So the sea must be rough and bumpy too. The sea can be vicious. Another thing that is vicious is a dog that is feeling angry, that is gnashing its teeth. So when you think about the sea being vicious, think about that angry dog with his gnashing teeth. The sea can be tough. If I think about the word tough, I think of a strong rope. So the sea must be tough and strong. The sea might look like this picture here. The sea can rip. A rip is when you do this to the piece of paper like fast. That is a rip. The sea can tear. Now a rip is a little bit like a tear, but when you tear, you do it very slowly and very carefully. The sea can roar like a hungry bear. So think of a really loud, hungry bear and roar like from when you say these words. The sea might look like this. The sea can be gentle. When I think about the word gentle, I think of a small baby and using kind hands with a small baby. The sea can be flat. The word flat means just flat like this stone. It's smooth and straight on the top. The sea can be calm as a sleeping cat. So when cats are asleep, they are very calm and still. The sea in this part of the poem might look like this. The sea can glide over the sand. Imagine you are on a beach for this word. When you are standing near the edge of the sea glides towards your feet over the sand, stroking the beach like a giant hand. Now, for this word, remember when we talked about stroking a kitten? This is what you do when you stroke. That is what that word means. Now let's read it again together. You can join in this time. The sea can be angry. The sea can be rough. The sea can be vicious. The sea can be tough. The sea can rip. The sea can tear. The sea can roar like a hungry bear. The sea can be gentle. The sea can be flat. The sea can be calm as a sleeping cat. The sea can glide over the sand, stroking the beach like a giant hand. You might want to use these new words that you've learned to make a vocabulary map like we do at school. I'll see you next time, Green. Bye bye.